Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.89. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of -13.54%. This translates to an average loss of -1.04% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, presenting a potentially advantageous buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $19.29 be breached, it will initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase, and it may also serve as an early warning of a possible trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we foresee a possible change of up to 14.85% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 11.14% to 63.79%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of -10.65%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -64.07% and +115.06% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would indicate a future price likely between $7.16 and $42.86. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation. The stock price of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation fell by 2.88% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025. The price decreased from $20.52 to $19.93. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.79%, reaching a low of $19.86 and a high of $20.42. Although the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 4.32% over this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume typically follows stock price trends. On the last day, trading volume declined by 469,000 shares, with a total of 5 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $108.74 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price sits at 63.55% or $34.75 below the 52-week high and 74.89% or $59.45 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation, trading under the ticker DJT, has recently experienced notable fluctuations in its stock value driven by a mix of political controversy and strategic financial moves. Following the protests in Los Angeles, DJT stock has shown resilience, indicating investor confidence despite social unrest. In early June, however, the stock faced downward pressure due to the escalating feud between Donald Trump and Elon Musk, which has had ripple effects on both companies' stock prices. This volatility could raise concerns among investors about the stability of DJT as external factors impact its market performance. On the flip side, Trump Media is pursuing an aggressive strategy to enter the cryptocurrency space by filing for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. This move could attract interest from investors eager for exposure to cryptocurrencies, positioning DJT at the forefront of emerging financial technology trends. In the short term, these competing dynamics, political turmoil versus innovative financial ventures, may result in increased volatility in DJT's stock price. However, if their crypto endeavors prove successful, it could generate substantial long-term growth opportunities, enticing a broader investor base and potentially stabilizing their market standing moving forward. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $20.78 and $23.68. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 24.45%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 36 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 86 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 81 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $18.79 and $18.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $18.79. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.76 and $17.32. This stock can experience significant movement during the day, resulting in high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.55 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.79%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.93%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $18.79. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point with an expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May 2025, Eric Swider executed another insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the 14th of May 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan executed another insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. Also on the 14th of May 2025, Philip Juhan executed a further insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 21.348. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, our analysis suggests that Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation may struggle in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of June, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by 138/100ths of a dollar, starting at $20.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.